What's up, YouTube? Tops8541 here, drinking Barry Bonds beer. Go along with the Big Hurt beer. So, just watching the WBC in the background. So we got a little early baseball action this year. So we got Italy, and Mexico playing, and I got a 2-package mail day. So I'm about to bust open the first package here. And it's in a PWE. I think it's something I bought on eBay and it was free shipping, so yeah. So you can pretty much expect a PWE with free shipping. You don't pay a whole heap. I say a whole heap for the card itself. Those are pretty cool card. Just something for my 3000 Hit Club PC. So Mr. Lou Brock, nice die cut Fleer card there. I like that card a lot. It says 3000 in the background. So got that one, and then I got anyway, I got a package from checkoutmycards.com. So I'll show you guys what I ordered. I love that website, by the way. If I'm ever bored, you know, when I used to get bored, I used to go out and buy a blaster box for 20 bucks. But now when I get bored, I go into checkoutmycards.com and I order $20 worth of cards. And what I like about doing that, or the reason why I like doing that, is because I always get cards I want instead of maybe 1 or 2 cards that I want when I bust open a blaster box. So very nice. It comes in a big top loader. All the cards are in that. So usually they sandwich them in a top loader, but this time I guess they all fit in a big one. So I got some nice ones here. And to me, I spent 20 bucks on this lot of cards, and to me, I'll get much more enjoyment out of it than a blaster box, so that's why I'm going that route. Stop buying blasters and start buying from Check Out My Cards. So here we go. First of all, I got a Barry Bonds. This is like a, what is it? It's a molten metal, skybox molten metal. It's a laser. That's like laser. You can kind of see the Barry Bonds through the background there. So that's a really sick ass card. I got the gold version numbered to like 50 or something like that of this card, so now I got the regular one. And then nice insert numbered to 2500. Great American Heroes. I guess our favorite baseball players are American heroes. So there we go, a Topps Tech. So always looking to pick these up. Maybe someday I'll finish this set. I'm sure eventually someday I'll finish this set. So I got a couple of Topps Tech cards. And then I got the O-Pee-Chee Barry Bonds. I know it says Topps there, but in this particular year, the O-Pee-Chee looks just like, well, it says Topps instead of O-Pee-Chee, but you can see down there on the bottom, O-Pee-Chee. So I got that one. And I got another O-Pee-Chee. Here it is. I'll show you the other one. The 89 O-Pee-Chee, and that one actually says O-Pee-Chee in the corner. I prefer when the O-Pee-Chee says O-Pee-Chee instead of Topps. I think that was the only year in 1990 where they did it that way. Like this is a really cool die cut card. Forte. Upper Deck Forte. There's one number to 100 that I lost out on eBay last week. And then a nice SP Game Bat insert card. So that's cool. And then a Barry Bonds reprint rookie card, which I didn't have. So that's cool. And then a Fleer Ultra All Classic insert card. And then last but not least, I had to pick this up from Willie Mays PC. The 1972 Topps Mini. I actually have the original 1972 Topps Willie Mays, so I'm pretty sure the picture is a lot different. I think it's a portrait with the bat on his shoulder, if I recall. But anyway, that's my mail day. So guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the mail day, and have a good one. Peace out.